kasi lumalabas na nga sa TV, hindi posibleng hindi nakikita ng Pangulo to. Well, tinotolerate ng Pangulo.
Because I give the benefit of the doubt to the President whatever information he is getting. He might be getting information na hindi rin natin alam. But what I'm saying is, from my point of view as the chairperson of the Committee on Labor and Human Resources Development, as a member of the Senate, I've seen enough. 2-3 weeks ago, I already mentioned it, I have suspend, stop the operations of POGO. Can you imagine, until now, they are not, of the 41 offshore gaming operators, not one of them are paying, not one of them is paying the franchise tax. At ang BIR, humihingi ng tulong at parang ang Pagcor, okay lang, bahala kayo. Nakukolekta naman namin yung 2% na regulatory fee na kino-question din natin sapagkat hanggang ngayon, hindi tayo masagot ng pamahalaan magkano ba talaga ang gross gaming revenue. Just as we speak right now, they're earning. Hindi wala tayong kinikita nitong mga ito ay tama. At masisigurong yung kinukolektang buwis na para kay Juan de la Cruz, para sa ating bayan, kapalit nitong mga money laundering activities, itong mga prostitution dens, itong mga kidnapping, itong mga international fugitives na pumupunta rito, worth it ba yan? Klaro. And in fact, say this also, a lot of members of the Senate in the yesterday's discussion shared the same sentiment of this representation.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.